Hey, what's up? How are our beloved travelers? What a snowy day, am I right? Well, here, I mean. Don't know about you. Where are you? And did the snow fall there? Don't want to be poetic, but it's like winter's last goodbye. Don't you agree? Like a last hug or a last kiss. Something to remember. Something that lingers. Okay, I got a bit poetic after all. I, myself, am a fan of cold weather. I can't stand the hot and sunny days. I feel like a snowman that is melting. What's your favorite kind of weather? Let us know in the comments. Before we begin, hit the like and subscribe button. Also, the Instagram ID is in description. Make sure to follow it as well. Okay, let's begin. It's a shame the snow didn't last longer. I would have loved to take some pictures, wouldn't you? Did you go anywhere snowy? Any snowy kinda activity? Generally, what kind of person are you? We'd like to know more about you. Would you rather go out and play in the snow or do activities related to snow like skiing or snowboarding? Or would you rather stay home under a cozy blanket and drink hot chocolate and watch a movie? I wouldn't mind skiing, but as you can hear my voice, I have been sick for the past week. So, no touching snow for me. So I stayed home and drank tea and watched Wonka. Have you seen it? Anyway, could you guess where we're taking you today? Fatemi Street. Do you know how to get there? Easy. One way is to get on subway wherever you are and then get off on Jahal Square station, which is only a few steps away from Fatemi Square, which is the way we chose today. Another way is to get to Lale Park station by subway and just walk across the park. The first option is a little further from the park. If you see the map on your phone, you can see you have to walk to get to the park. Another way is to get a cab. And if you're a fan of Uber kinds of transportation, it's more comfortable, but you'll be in traffic. Don't say I didn't warn you. Traffic in Tehran is exhausting. I don't know where it comes from and I don't know where it ends. It's just there, all the time, like it existed before time. Okay, back to the video. Where were we? Fatemi. Do you know anything about it? Its surroundings? The most famous one is, of course, Lale Park, which will promise to take you there someday. Soon, we hope. Lale's Bazaar is right around the corner. You can check it out when you go there. There is also Carpet Museum of Iran, which has Persian rugs, from 1500 till present. You can spend an evening there and enjoy the culture and history combined. There is this old famous pastry named Ladan, which has other branches in different parts of the city, and you can order online. And I recently went there personally and bought a whole pack of cookies. They were delicious. Try them. There is Tehran Skate Academy, which I have not checked myself yet. I hope they have ice skating. I am a fan of ice skating. Do you know where I can attend for that? Not for classes. I'm too old for that. Just for an hour to get my mind off things. I think it would clear my thoughts and refresh my soul. Walk a bit more and you'll reach Lale 5-star Hotel. It's a big building, as you can see in the video, and I have seen important people going there a couple of times. Before I forget, there are parking lots with multiple floors if you want to go there by your own car. What else? There are so many cafes and restaurants there to prevent you from starving. You should check them out, but if I were you, I would go for deli shops in Lala Park sidewalks. They're definitely delicious, and I always eat there when I'm nearby. So many banks have their branches there, so if somehow suddenly you had to do a bank thing, you are covered. There are some important buildings there, such as Water and Sewerage Department of Tehran, Branch 1 of Social Security, Statistical Center of Iran, Government Office, Islamic Revolution Housing Foundation, and so many others. There are pharmacies, jewelry stores, schools, department stores like the one we have shown you here. It's called Lale Shopping Center. And the list goes on. Makes it suitable for living. You can have a nice home there because you gave access to anything you might need. The Fatemi Street ends in Chamran Expressway on the west side and Fatemi Square on the east side, which there are so many more places to name in between these two areas, like Kargar Street, for example, that we walked a bit on the side of Lana Park. We couldn't show them all to you. It's a pretty long walk. Maybe one day we'll take you there. For now, that's all. Take care and check it out. Also, tell us, where do you like to see more? We want to know. Write in the comments. All the love, travel buddies.
همین مدت
شدی سخت